So now guys, today's this is the last topic because I don't want to exaggerate this topic because it is an interesting and most important topic in economics. Don't forget, this is economics. You are promoted to class 9. Previous year you have up to civics. Now you have to study political science. You have to study economics. Poverty as a challenge, it is one of the main and important chapters in economics. So you write heading interstate disparities. Interstate disparities. Disparity spelling DISPARITIES. Disparities meaning, that means differences, interstate. Just like the natural resource, that all the natural resources, whatever the natural resources, those are not centralized in one place. Those are scattered. I'm talking about not only India, I'm talking about the world. Here iron, there coal, there manganese, there mica. Just like this. Only you have to extract this, you have to detect it, and to detect that human resource is required. Without human resource it is not possible, and human resource, the technology. So just like this, that it is also, this also differs. Poverty, it also differs state-wise. India, a large country, many states, some states already, those are divided into two parts at Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Telangana, two parts. So there are Jharkhand, many states, sub-states, their capitals. So poverty also we see according. Poorest states of India, Orissa and Bihar. Orissa and Bihar, these two states are the poorest states. Previously West Bengal was also there, but West Bengal nowadays, its name, it has been eradicated. Why? Because of the upliftment in the agriculture. On behalf of government, the loan system, it has been given to the farmers and small scale industries also in West Bengal, individual, that means they are self-supported. So that is why, but few years back, West Bengal also, its name was also mentioned in the poverty line. So Orissa and Bihar. And I think I need not to say that about the current status of our country. But nowadays, Orissa, that Orient migrants are not visible. The migrants there, lakhs of migrants, they are coming and going from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. So, but statistics say, census says that Orissa and Bihar, these two countries, the poorest countries. And what is the census says? That Orissa and Bihar are the poorest states which poverty ratio of 47 and 43% respectively. The urban poverty is also high in Orissa. Bihar, Uttar Pradesh also urban poverty. I am talking about urban poverty. Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Poverty differs. Some rural areas in our country, many farmers, they are quite rich. They are having 4 or 5 tractors, modern gadgets, agricultural gadgets, machineries. They are quite rich. But in urban areas, workers, you have seen the current status. The migrants, they are coming, migrating only for money, to earn money. They are poor people. Only to fulfill their basic needs, they are migrating, or they do migrate. And now let's come to the point that there has been a significant decline in poverty in Kerala. Understand this meaning, decline of poverty. That means poverty, it has been eradicated in Kerala. Kerala is agriculture based, and apart from that, the total Nilgiri belt is there. Coffee cultivation, black soil is also found. So Kerala, it is agriculture based state, and apart from that, one most important significant reason for the upliftment of the state, that is education. You know that 100% people of Kerala, they are educated, and they are engaged in various kinds of job. That means the human resource, Kerala, it has got the human resource. Whether it is small, that's self-employment, whether the people, they are working as teachers, they are the people, they are working as nurse, they are doctors, they are lecturers, professors, journalists, or they are farmers, they are working in coffee belt, they are working in cotton belt, agricultural field, fishery, they are engaged. 100% educated people in Kerala. What did I tell you? That poverty, that illiteracy is one of the causes of poverty. So Kerala, that why the poverty it has been declined. That Kerala, Jammu Kashmir also good situation. Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, West Bengal, and states like Haryana and Punjab. Haryana and Punjab, quite rich states, agriculture based states. Agriculture, because various kinds of crops, those are they grow, they cultivate various sugar cane, that mustard, wheat, maize. Those are the main crops of Haryana and Punjab. So they are quite laborious, and farming is the main source of, or main mode of economy. So Haryana and Punjab, they are self-dependent states. Apart from that, Kerala, Jammu Kashmir, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, and now West Bengal, its name, it has been added. So guys, today's lecture up to here. I don't want to drag this, because in my next lecture I will wind up this chapter, then I will switch over to other segment of social science, and I hope you have noted down all the questions just now I discussed with you.